For the successor to its editor's choice-winning Alpha X6, Sony improves the autofocus system, image quality, and design, and delivers a great burst rate for the money. Coupled with the compact, compared to a DSLR, design and excellent feature set, there's a lot to like about the Alpha 6000. While the whole package makes a great impression, though, it's not best in its price class in all criteria. The neutral setting does render more accurate colors, since it doesn't push the saturation and contrast as much, but the default creative style doesn't shift hues. Once you hit about ISO 800, all but the most in focus edges and JPEG images get soft and smeary. That said, I did get printable images as high as ISO 12800, and Sony manages to keep color noise under control quite well. If you shoot RAW, there's a reasonable amount of recoverable shadow and highlight detail, at least at low to medium ISO sensitivities. Low ISO sensitivity JPEG comparison. Note, if your browser window isn't maximized to at least 1500 pixels wide, these samples will be scaled and non-representative. It's hard to make direct comparisons with the X6 because the additional resolution adds a level of visible detail. However, I think the cheaper Nikon D500 outperforms it starting at around ISO 800, as does the slightly more expensive D5300. The Nikon's OLPF free sensor simply preserves sharpness a lot better as noise and processing increases. The video looks quite good, with solid control over artifacts, and the built-in stereo mic is surprisingly clear and warm.